my sauce. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you some jerk salmon fillet. Alright, so I have roughly 1 kg of salmon that is washed, and I add some vinegar to remove the rawness. Also, if you notice for salmon, you have to scale the back side of it. So I've done that, and I'm ready to season my fillet. Alright, my oils here, my jerk season, I have onion, hot pepper, garlic, thyme, scallion, and I have some jerk seasoning. I have chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, and a little salt to taste. I also have garlic. So I'm gonna get started now by adding the oil for the oil, salmon to season and marinate quickly. I'm gonna add a little salt, then seasoning. I already have a lot of salt, so you don't need much. I'm gonna add my seasoning. Those are my powdered seasonings so far. I'm gonna get ready my other seasoning, which is the garlic, It's raining. It's raining. Some garlic. Add some hot pepper. We're not a lot of pepper. Don't go deep in the pepper. I'm just gonna add my jerk seasoning again. Just a little, because it's very strong. You can use whatever jerk seasoning you have available. There you go, guys, it's now seasoned, so I'm gonna allow it to marinate for about 3 hours. So as I said before, you can also season your meat the night before in order for it to cook the next day. Alright, so this is it. I'm just gonna cover it and allow it to marinate and before I start cooking. Alright, so guys, please note that my salmon will be jerked in the oven. Alright, so it's oven jerk salmon fillet. Alright guys, thank you. So guys, I'm back. I'm gonna get my oven ready. I'm gonna put it to about 30 minutes. 30 minutes for it to bake on 350 degrees. Alright, so I'm letting it hot before adding my salmon to the oven. So my dish. So I'm gonna get my salmon ready now for the dish. The oven is now hot, so I'm gonna get my fillet into my baking dish. there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna cover it with some foil, allow it to cook a little bit, and then remove the foil and allow it to get the color, and that's it. Alright, guys. So I'm going to give it a roughly half of the time that it's to cook, to get it cooked with the seasoning, and then afterwards I'm going to remove the foil, put it back, and allow it to get the color for the jerk. Alright? Okay. Guys, I'm back. I'm just going to check to see what's happening with the salmon. I'm gonna turn it. And I must let you know that salmon takes very little time to cook. So we're almost there. Alright. So okay, I'm gonna remove it and put some jerk sauce on it, put it back in to get the color, and that's it. There you go now, guys. I'm gonna remove this and then coat it. Ready. And I'll put it back. So guys, I'm back. This is it. 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 And there you have it, guys. My oven jerk salmon fillet. Alright, I'm gonna taste it for you now. Of my sauce. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So if you are the one that don't eat chicken and love to eat seafood, this is a great idea. It's healthy because it was jerk, so you can go ahead and try it out, guys. Good with your Sunday dinner or whatever meal you want to have, and it's good for the children. Less bones to worry about. Oven jerk salmon fillet. Go ahead and try it, guys. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. So remember to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want more interesting and different recipe, please check out my other videos on my channel. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. See you next time.